Hey folks, Troy Miner here, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you information regarding the new Cardly.me system, and in particular I'm going to be sharing with you two excellent ways to share your Cardly link or your vcard. So please make sure that you give this video your full undivided attention. And when this video is over, if you want to create your free Cardly account and you're watching this video on YouTube, you can go directly to my YouTube channel links, click on the link for Cardly, and you'll get access to my link so that you can create a free account. Now, there are some things about Cardly that are absolutely phenomenal. Number one, this has a lot to do with personal branding. And if you have been in your industry for a while, I'm sure you've heard people say, you are your only competition. And I am telling you that is not true. The truth is that if you're promoting a network marketing, affiliate marketing, or direct selling business, and you've got 20,000 members that are a part of your business, or 50,000, or maybe even over 100,000, then your competition are people that are promoting the same offer. So Cardly gives you a very, very significant advantage. So first, I'm just going to break down some of the things that you can do on Cardly. As you can see, there are several buttons below, and I will say, in just my first week of using Cardly, I've already gotten people to join me in my primary business. I got 2 signups in my primary business, and I also got 2 signups for my 100 leads in 5 days system. So the very first thing that I want to share with you, right here where it says start here, I got a video in there. It's about a minute and a half long. It's just really an introduction of who I am. And then this premium free leads video that's right here, this is an explainer video. And what this video does is it allows me to share some of the benefits of having a Cardly account. I've got my own personal business opportunity in here, this instant cash system, which shows you how to earn several hundreds of dollars, even 4 figures in a single day. My 100 leads in 5 days system, my personal website that I created that I could share with people, and I have all of my most relevant social media profile links that are in here. People have the ability to email me, and they also have the ability to call or text me. So again, this has a lot to do with personal branding. Now, this is the Cardly vcard, and what I love about this is that you have a personalized professional way to share your contact information with individuals that took an interest in having some type of a chat with you. So this works particularly well if you are on social media. So I'm going to give you 2 excellent examples on how you can share this. Let's say when you receive a message on social media, right? I mean, we all have people that are pitching us. Perhaps they send us a message with their link. Oh, you got to check this out. This is the greatest thing next to sliced bread. Or maybe you've heard this, do you keep your options open when it comes to making more money, right? We've all heard that. So here's my answer to that. I basically will just simply message them back. I appreciate you reaching out and being honest. I never really talk business over chats. I find it impersonal. If you are open to having a quick conversation and share more about your opportunity, here's my direct contact and info. Now, think about that. First of all, you look like a real professional when people land on your Cardly link, or, if they land on your vcard. And the other thing that's really significant about this vcard is that all they have to do is click this Save Now button, and they're instantly going to have you added to their personal contacts. And if you are a Pro 2 level member, which I'm going to talk about in a minute, you have the ability to allow them to scan this code and download your contacts. So this is very, very good. Let's say if you have met someone face to face, and they're talking to you about whatever, making money online, starting a home business, or in general, they just want to keep the conversation going. You built good rapport with them. They're interested in keeping you on as a contact. So this is sensational for that. Now, I'm going to share something else with you that's really, really significant. So the second way that I would recommend for you being able to share your Cardly link or your vcard, this is when you're engaged in a chat. So let's say you're on Facebook or any other social media site, and you and that individual are hitting it off. You're not talking business. You're just basically engaged in a conversation, an ongoing conversation with them in a chat, right? I would send them a message like, hey, I've enjoyed chatting with you on here. I'd be open to learning more about your business and what you've got going on. Being honest, I don't really talk business over chats as I feel it's a bit impersonal. If you'd like to tell me more, here's my direct contact info. Feel free to reach out when you have a few minutes to talk. Right? So then I'll just share with them my Cardly link, or, I'll share with them my vcard. But understand, you're actually getting people to go to your link, see the information that you have on there, stand out as a real professional, and at the same time, guess what people are going to do? They're going to come down here and they're going to click on these buttons to see what you've got going on and what you're all about. So you can actually add multiple business opportunities that you might be involved in and ways for people to actually contact you. And these links, they are fully customizable. So you could switch them up. You could change them however it is that you want. And one last thing that I'm going to point out has to do with the Pro 2 level membership. So everyone signs up with Cardly for a free account, and you're more than welcome to remain a free member. But there are some benefits to being a Pro 2 level upgrade member. And the minute I saw this, I quickly registered as a Pro 2 level member. I didn't waste any time. The investment is only $29.99 per month. So for roughly $1 a day, you get all of these amazing benefits, and I strongly encourage you to go ahead and upgrade. Number one, you're going to get a link for everything, just one link to share all of your social medias, to share multiple different business opportunities. So all of your contact info is in one place. This supports all social media links. It supports all calendar links, supports all meeting links. So let's say, for example, maybe you want to schedule appointments with people. You have the ability to do that. You can support all payment links. People can save your information in one click. And again, this is about building your brand. As I mentioned, you also, as a Pro 2 level member, have the built-in QR codes for sharing. You can add a picture, a background. They're fun, colorful designs. Direct links for easy sharing, easily updated for changes. This is very mobile friendly. You have Zoom integration. Maybe you want to get people into a Zoom meeting. You just simply share your Zoom link on your Cardly. You can receive payments. You could share videos and PDFs and calendars. And there are pre-written scripts that you can use for messaging that are absolutely phenomenal. So again, if you're watching this video on YouTube, go to my YouTube channel right now, click on the links, look for Cardly. If you're getting this video as a result of an email, go back to my email, and at the very, very bottom, you're going to get my Cardly link. Thanks so much for watching this video. Take care.